Hello class, this is a video tutorial on the further applications of the t formula. So let's find the exact values of the following expressions here. So we're definitely going to be using these t formula. You can pause the video and give this a go whenever you'd like. So here we go. So for this, we need to make sure that we do it in terms of tan a. So we haven't been given what expression to use. So first we need to let t equal tan a on 2. So we definitely need to use that. But we now need an angle such that when we substitute a into here, we get the angle that we need. So for example, if I were to substitute 15, this won't work because 15 on 2 is going to be 7.5. So we need to substitute a number for a to give us 15. This is fairly simple. We just need to let a equal 30, because then we can say therefore t is equal to tan 30 on 2, which is equal to tan 15, which is what we needed. So this expression is going to become 2t over 1 plus tan squared 15 is going to be t squared. This expression, where'd it go? There it is going to be sine of a. That's equal to sine of a. But a is 30. And we know what sine 30 is. Sine 30 is going to be, that's 60, 30, 1. It's going to be a half. It's going to be half. So in actual fact, this entire expression can be simplified down into just a half. So I hope you can see how we could apply this. Hopefully it wasn't too difficult, but I need to place an emphasis that we have to indicate the values of a and the expression that t is equal to a on 2. Okay, so this is a very basic application. So let's pause and give the next two a go yourself. Okay, so we're going to let t equal tan a on 2, and we're going to let a equal something so that when we divide it, it's going to be 22.5. Really, you can think of it like this. You can think of it a over 2 equals 22.5, which if you calculate that, it's going to become a is equal to 45. From this, we can conclude, therefore, t is equal to tan 22.5 degrees. From here, we can now just substitute 1 minus tan squared 22.5. That's going to be 1 minus t squared. 1 plus tan squared 22.5 is going to be 1 plus t squared. This expression is cosine. That's going to become cos of a. But since we said a is going to be 45, cos of 45 is 1 over root 2, with the rational denominator is root 2 on 2. So this expression simplifies down into root 2 on 2. So hopefully that wasn't too difficult now. Okay, so moving right along. Here we go. Now, hopefully you can see that this is actually possible to be done without using the t formulas, because tan 60 can already be solved. Tan 60, I believe, is going to be root 3. So this is going to be 2 root 3 over 1 minus tan squared of root 3 is 1 minus 3. So it's going to be 2 root 3 over 2. Okay, so it's possible to solve without it. I need to make that very clear. But let's go the difficult route and try and solve this using the t formulas once again. So let t equal tan a over 2, and hopefully you can see a is going to be 120. So therefore we can say t is equal to tan 60, because 120 over 2 is 60. From here we can get 2t over 1 minus tan squared is 1 minus tan squared, 1 minus t squared, and that's going to be well, that's clearly going to be tan. That's tan theta. Whoops. Sorry, not theta, tan a. But we said that a is 120. That's going to be tan 120. And this, we're going to have to do some trig identities. And actually doing this has revealed something else, because I believe it should be a negative value. So that's 120. Because, let's take a look at this in terms of the quadrants. 120 is in the second quadrant. If that's 120, this is going to be 60 degrees. So this is equivalent to negative tan 60 degrees, which is different to actually what we were calculating. This is going to be negative root 3 on 1. Let me just quickly double check this. 60, 30, root 3, 1. Yes, it's going to be root 3. Whoops. So the true answer for this actually is going to be negative 3. So there was actually a bit of a trick to this one. I thought it would have been the first answer that we found. So we learn more every day. So I hope that gave you an insight into how we might use the t formulas to find exact values of trigonometric expressions. Hope to see you in the next video. Best of luck.